Are you fed up using manual pruning shears and switch to one of these electric pruning shears? Here, this model from Jovant has a 20-volt, 4 ampere-hour battery, and this thing is awesome for cutting through branches that are just over an inch. You can unlock the head here by pressing the trigger twice, and it opens up. If you want to put this back into safety mode, just hold the trigger down until you hear 2 beeps. And now it's in the safe mode. This tool isn't designed to cut through thick branches like this, but where it is useful is cutting through inch and under branches where you've got a bunch of them where you would normally use a manual pruning shear. If you like this Jovant model so far, I'll leave it linked to the description below so you can check it out for yourself and save your hand on your next pruning job. We have around about an inch branch here to cut. I'm just going to pull up the shear and then pull the trigger. And cut through it with no problem at all. This Jovant electric pruning shear is around about £2. Nice and light. You can use it in your left hand or right hand. Really like this, especially for cutting those smaller branches. Gives my hand a break because I just have to pull that trigger. Super easy to use. Really like this. If you're in the market for a pruning shear, I'd really recommend you get this Jovant model here.